Tropical vibes, party decorations, decorative palm trees with 3D bananas and coconuts instantly create the atmosphere of a tropical celebration. They are large, vibrant, and eye-catching even from a distance, the perfect focal point for a photo booth, stage, or play area. This prop is more than just a decoration. It's a full-fledged tool for engaging guests. You can use it to host games, contests, interactive activities, scavenger hunts, and entertainment programs. Children and adults alike will happily join in, harvesting the crop, completing tasks, taking photos, and interacting with the space. Suitable for children's parties and birthdays. Tropical Mood is a prop that brings the space to life, makes the program more interesting, and helps keep guests engaged. It adds vibrancy and energy, creating the effect of a fully fledged themed location.